curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How do scientists make sense of millions of confusing numbers? They use the power of data visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data to make it easy to understand. Looking at massive spreadsheets of raw data is confusing. The human brain cannot easily process millions of individual numbers. However, our brains are incredibly fast at processing visual images, spotting colors, and identifying geometric shapes instantly. Scientists use different tools for different jobs. Bar charts use varying heights to quickly compare separate categories of data. Line graphs connect individual data points. They reveal clear trends and show how a variable changes over a period of time. Pie charts divide a circle into colorful slices. They represent percentages, making it easy to see how different parts make up a whole. Scatter plots map individual data points on an axis. They reveal hidden relationships between two completely different variables. When those dots cluster together in a clear direction, scientists identify a correlation, showing a potential relationship between the variables. Heat maps use a spectrum of colors instead of numbers to instantly show data density and intensity across areas. Good visualization allows researchers to instantly identify important trends, like a sudden spike in global temperatures or wildlife populations. It also highlights outliers. These are strange, abnormal data points sitting far outside the expected normal pattern. The ultimate goal is communication. Visualization takes complex, high-level science and makes it instantly understandable for everyone. Modern visualizations are fully interactive. Digital dashboards update in real time as millions of new data points stream in constantly. From tracking weather to fighting diseases, data visualization is exactly how we make accurate decisions in the modern world. Remember, we use charts, graphs, and maps to turn confusing raw data into clear, actionable scientific knowledge. Data visualization turns numbers into stories and patterns into insights. Keep exploring the patterns, stay curious, and grow your brilliance. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.